Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have used an old knitted jumper to make a beanie hat. This was completely hand sewn, making it perfect for beginners. So let's get into it. First I laid my jumper out and decided how long I wanted my hat to be. The longer you make this measurement, the more slouchy your hat will be. I chose 13 inches. I marked this measurement at various points, connected them with a straight line and cut along the line. Don't throw away the top half as you'll need this for a video coming soon. I then cut along one of the side seams so I had an open piece of fabric. I then took the piece of fabric, wrapped it around my head and marked where it overlapped. I added about ½ an inch to this for seam allowance. I drew a straight line down the fabric from the mark I made and cut along the line. I folded my fabric into thirds and drew a curved line from edge to edge. I then cut this out. When the fabric is unfolded, you should have something like this. I then folded this in half, right sides together, and pinned down the edge. Then sewed where I'd pinned. I hand sewed this as I didn't have the appropriate needle for my sewing machine and didn't want to break the one I had, but hand sewing it won't affect the finished look. With the fabric still right sides together, I sewed one edge of one curve to one edge of the curve next to it. It would look like this once it's all sewn together. This is how it looked when it was all sewn. I then turned this inside out so it was now the right way round, and this is how the finished hat looked. You can wear this hat with the edge unfolded or folded, depending on the look you want. This is such an easy project that can be done by anyone and worn by anyone. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.